Installing Adobe Premiere Pro. Where do you get Adobe Premiere? Where does it come from? And what does the installation process look like? I specifically removed all Adobe apps to show you step by step how does it look. Firstly, we go to the Adobe website and choose which application we want. Adobe has a huge number of applications for everything. For photography, for website layout, for creating apps. But before we download an application, we go to the Creativity and Design panel and choose the All Plans and Goals button. What is Adobe's price policy? First of all, Adobe applications are sold on a subscription basis, which means that you have a certain amount of money dedicated from your card every month. You don't pay a large amount of money all at once. You have this amount divided for many years. What subscription options are available? First, photography, $9.99 per month plus VAT. It's not our option. Second, one application, Premiere Pro, $20.99 per month plus VAT. It's fine, we can choose one application and use it. Third, all apps, $52.99 per month plus VAT. You can also choose this option. We always had the option to buy a license for students and teachers, and it's already much cheaper. For example, in the individuals package we pay $20.99 per month for one application, but here we pay $19.99 per month for all applications. Also, when you buy one or another plan, you need to register an Adobe ID and bind your email and card. In order to download, we need to buy and log in into your account. When you pay for the subscription, in place of the Buy button, there is an option to download applications. Whichever button we click here, whatever the app we want to download. Creative Cloud will be installed first. Once it's installed, we start installing apps. What does Creative Cloud consist of? In the menu, we have many tabs. Apps, the Adobe apps that we can install. Learning, there are the video lessons, very good and handy, giving only the basic level. Some of the video lessons are wordless, at the self-study level. I recommend it if you want to learn a particular tool on your own. Resources. Adobe Stock and Adobe Market are located here. This is where your stocks, fonts and market are. People share their textures, icons, footages, etc. Next, we have the Fonts tab. Adobe has a great feature called Typekit Sync, which allows you to sync fonts with other apps or projects. For example, you open up someone else's project, and they use fonts you don't have, but those fonts are in Typekit. Let's move on to the next phase, where we'll launch these applications.